and happy day 5 of Vlogtober. It is cast on day for the WestKnits. I did get all 36 stitches casted on, but my husband's home today and he came in the kitchen and he was like, hey, let's go knock out the rest of your drywall today and tomorrow. Like, I can't say no to that, but I wanna, because I just want to play with yarn. What's one to do? So I guess I'm hanging drywall. But I think the foosball is on later, so we're gonna get a lot of knitting in during that time. I'm at the barn getting wood. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Oh look, there's a 2x4. Oh, I need that 2x4. Where's that other 2x4? Oh, I think this is gonna take longer than normal, finding these 2x4s. Oh my, what are they gonna do without me? So this is me after a lot of work. I get really red. A couple of things. Number one, my eye's twitching like crazy, so please ignore that if you can see it on camera. I think that's my stress level. The roof, the ceiling is a little bit off. It's not really on square, so putting the drywall up has been an utter nightmare. And luckily we have this ginormous red thing, and he's my friend. He holds the sheetrock while we finagle it and try to get it in there square. Originally, I really want to put some kind of tongue and groove or wood on the ceiling and stain it a natural color. We were sitting there during our little lunch break, thanks to my oldest son for bringing us a chicken sandwich, and we figured out the cost of the boards. It's going to be $780 before tax, roughly. So I'm going to need y'all to watch like all the videos and shop only for my affiliate links. No, I mean, that would be awesome, but I don't expect that. I may not get my wood ceiling after all. I don't know. I can't just magically make that money appear. And I still have to pay off the insulation and the drywall and the flooring on my car before I can put anything else on the car. Because I don't think, I may be able to get 12 months no interest on that. I don't know. But I already have a pretty good chunk on my card, and I don't like to have a big balance, so I like to pay it off before the no interest financing. And my husband's not funding that. That's me and what little income I make. Yeah, that may not happen. If I hold out and do that, then that's going to put me moving out here even farther back, because I can't have a lot of stuff out here and then expect to try to hang tongue and groove on the ceiling. It just doesn't work. So another option is I can try to mud the drywall as best I can and fix gaps and just paint it, and then do some molding around on the edges, which I was going to do like a simple molding anyways around the edges, and just have like a white ceiling, which I mean, it's fine. It's a shed, you know what I'm saying? But I really would love to have that wood. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out that. I need Lowe's to sponsor me. But we did do a lot of work out there, and it's like 3:40, and I am just now going in. The husband just went in because he's going to go with the oldest child and let the oldest child drive, and they're going to bring home Jersey Mike's. So excited about that. And then I'm gonna go shower, and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm literally gonna shower and put on pajamas before 4:15 p.m. If I'm lucky and I time this right, I can get in pajamas and out of the shower before 4 o'clock, which just sounds absolutely phenomenal. There is a lot of foosball on tonight, so I will be using that to knit away, because I've literally got 2 rows done. And during the process of this, I have kind of peeped on the Ravelry boards. And if you're new to Stephen West, and I don't know if I've said this or not, but he does not have any Facebook groups. I know there's at least 2 Stephen West Facebook groups. If you want really good advice from the people who tested the pattern, go to the Ravelry groups, because that's where they are, and that's the only place that Stephen West is. He says that on his things, but I kind of peeped around in there and I saw that there is a huge debacle with the pattern. Basically, the knitters that got up and started knitting the first thing this morning started knitting clue 1 and realized that it looked like something that had a negative symbolic meaning, and some people were offended by that. And so Stephen West had to go in and write a second part of clue 1, an alternate beginning, I guess you can say. And so that apparently is now on page 9. So you may need to go in and refresh your clue 1 again to get the new version. And you can either do the first version, which to me looks like a symbol from Dutch heritage, or you can do the new revised version, which is on page 9, and it's supposed to be a lot easier and I think less cutting of the yarn. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I might actually do the original one, just because German heritage, it is in my family, and it does make me think of something that is very symbolic to the Dutch culture. So I think I'm probably going to stay with option 1. Oh, before we go inside, I do want to show you my bag that I'm using. It is a bag from Evergreen Bag, but I really love this bag so much. It's so pretty. It is a pretty heavy canvas, and it's a drawstring. There's a handle, and this side has pockets that run all along it, so I can stick my tags in there. But look at that print. Oh my goodness. If you're enjoying a Vlogtober, the rest of the evening, the only thing you may see from me is I may show an update later on of how far I've gotten the pattern after I shower and get in my comfy PJs. And that's about it. I'm tired. We've been out here all day long, and I may actually go to bed before 8 o'clock. So, happy Thursday.